Let's get you back to weather now. As we've been talking about and just mentioned, it's going to be windy as you step out the door. A little breezy now. Those winds are going to pick up even more as the sun comes up and as we go through the day. So let's bring meteorologist Maria Ruiz in to explain these windy conditions and just how gusty they're going to be today.
Yeah, I mean, you've seen it. It's going to increase our fire danger, unfortunately, but I want to show you where it's all coming from. And it's all tied to what's going on in California right now. You might have seen the images on social media, but a lot of rain piling in there and some snow for the higher elevations. You can even see rain across areas of the desert Southwest. It's all part of this big system, and you can see that cloud cover just spanning several states over. So what's happening there is that we have the system that's coming onshore, and it's causing a slew of a lot of just different weather alerts, anywhere from winter weather alerts across the Rockies, high wind alerts for areas like California, Arizona, and New Mexico. 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts through today for those high wind alerts. And that pink that you see there, those are red flag warnings. That means high winds, low humidity, and a high fire danger for those locations. So I'm going to show you how that's all going to translate for us. For us, as we go through the day, you can see those winds kind of picking up. This is showing wind gusts through about 10. As I take you into the afternoon, you see these numbers go up anywhere between 20, 30 mile per hour wind gusts going to be likely for us. And it's here to stay throughout the afternoon. We don't really see these winds calm down until we head into the overnight. Tomorrow, they're still a little bit breezy. And unfortunately, when you pile in the high winds with our ongoing drought, even though we did have some beneficial rain this weekend, it's going to cause an elevated fire danger. And Greg has that update for you coming up in just a little bit.